G'day there, Jason from Australia here, and I just wanted to jump in and give a shout out to Dave Smith's new online course called Mastering the Art of Glue Chip Glass. Prior to taking this course, my glue chipping was absolutely woeful. I did what most people do, jumped on the internet, thought it'd be easy, get some glass and sandblast it and put some glue on it and that sort of thing and hope for the best. But my results couldn't have been worse. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this, I was getting just inconsistencies. The glue was just rolling up. I had no idea what I was doing. I put the glue on and then just thought I had to heat it, and then it would melt again, and all sorts of stuff. So that was going on all the time. And then I did have some success with one piece. I did this piece and I thought it was pretty good, but the gilding was coming off the back when I'd gilded. I went through. This is probably about the 5th time I tried to gild it. Really inconsistent in the chip patterns. I was seeing big shards and chunks coming out, and couldn't replicate it. Well, I didn't want to replicate that, but I couldn't replicate my results, and I had no idea about what was going on. I basically didn't understand it, and I couldn't wait for this course to come out. But since doing the course, I've been involved in the pre-launch group that he just had, and before releasing it to the public, and I've jumped in head first and been digesting all the lessons. And Dave's approach to teaching is just so unique. He takes you step by step. The modules are small, you break them down, and he just talks you through it step by step, so that you get to understand the concepts and what's doing and what works, what doesn't work, and how to approach it, how to heat the glue properly, and really nurture that process. And I'm sure you've seen his work, and that's how he's getting the results. He leaves no stone unturned in this course. I think it's taken him over 12 months to put it together. There are a number of different project files. All the vectors and design files are included. A list of all the supplies you'll need, where to buy them around the world. He's gone to so much trouble and effort, as you would expect he would, to put this course together, and so that you can really master the art and teach. He's passionate about teaching as many people as possible on how to do this beautiful technique. There's a really great Facebook group included with the course, so you basically get to ask questions of other people around the world that are experiencing similar things to you. David's in there answering questions as well, so you get to ask him, hey Dave, I've got this happening, and what's going on here, and he'll jump in and answer any questions that you have as well. So that group in itself, that private group, only open to the people on the course, is just value in itself. Being able to just ask your questions and get them answered, and have the support of your fellow students and that sort of thing as well. It's just mind blowing. But I've been in there over a week now, and I've managed to finish my first letter. So I'll just show you. This is the sort of letters that we're doing in the course. This is a lovely letter E that Dave designed. He takes you step by step how to do it, how to get the chipping right, and then takes you through how to blend. It's got a lovely 18 carat lemon gold and 23 carat orange gold blend. It takes you through that, all the shading and what to do and how to get the best results. But this is my first one that I just know I'll be able to go and try and replicate these results now with the other projects as we go along. So he takes you through every step, and everything's sort of included there. You've just got to get your materials, which you can get along the way as you go. There's no need to sort of jump in, and you don't have to go and have a big expensive outlay or anything like that. Once you have the course, you've got the course, you can do it as self-paced. I know some people haven't even started, they've got the course, but they're just slowly getting their gear together. So we're all in there together learning, and I'd love to see you in there, and can't recommend the course highly enough. So if you do have the opportunity to grab it, I would certainly recommend it. Good on you. Take care, and hope to see you chipping soon. Bye.